Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntoff. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. It is Friday, April 10th, 2020. So right now I'm on the west side. This is Polaris. So we can see they got this sign completely installed. Looks like they're still doing some kind of work to it. I think the other day they were straightening up some of the letters, which I don't know if they did it all from here. The T looks a little bit crooked to me. But I think right now they're working on the wiring. Thank you to everyone that sent me some emails and comments about all these Allegiant Stadium lights being on the other day. Or last night actually. I didn't have time to get out to actually come and video it. So we'll keep an eye on it. Maybe it'll be out again. They'll be on again so we could check it out. All right, so on this side here, the last video I did over here, they put in the, you could see the curbing, and they were dumping aggregate down. But now since I was here last, you can see they actually grinded some of the road out and they're getting it ready. So it looks like they're going to pave half the road now, which is it's much needed. This road was a really bad disaster. So all the way down, they got half of it tore out. We're going to have a palm tree in the way here. You can't see down towards Russell Road, but so it appears like they're going to pave half the road. Then they'll probably finish this half right in front of me. So that'll be good. They're getting everything going. So we did get a little bit of rain around town. And when I was driving here, it was sprinkling, but now it's okay. So we do have the live cam back up on the Mandalay Bay, so we were able to see again. They don't have the interior cam up yet. I'm not sure why, but I did see some photos that a construction worker posted, and it showed they were working on the big, like putting the framing up for the giant video board that's going to be on the inside on the south end. So I'm thinking that's the area that indoor camera was mounted, so that might be the reason why they had to take it down. But also, if you go on the live cam, you can see yesterday they start putting some dirt on the fill tray. So the fill tray again is in this area. You can see the palm trees here, and then you can also see now they're putting up these posts back here. Those are along the perimeter where the fill tray is. It's at least 20, maybe 30 feet down lower there, so I guess they're gonna put some fencing around that. So I'm gonna send the drone up so we can see what they're doing in there. Okay, we just got a big truck here. I don't know if he's gonna drop some of this aggregate or not. But so yeah, we'll get the drone up, see what we can see with the filled dirt they're putting in. So that's a good sign. That should mean some grass is gonna be going in soon. All right, so we're gonna go walk around, see what else we can see them working on. Hello Raider Nation. Just want you guys to check out my visor that I got from Jedi Joy and Jedi Rich. They had this made for me, my Raiders 1967. So I'd like to thank you guys for getting it for me. Go Raiders. Okay, so now we are down. I'm still on Polaris, but more towards Russell Road. So this is looking right down on the south end. So we got some guys right here on the end of the roof. They've been bringing stuff up and bringing stuff down, because it appears like they got all of the ETFE panels finished on the middle section now. So this end section on the south end will be the next one to get it. Okay, so they're lifting a load of something there. Yeah, so hopefully, I mean, the rate they're going, this south end, it's not that big, the roof. They should be getting that ETFE installed pretty quick. All right, so down on this end, you can see here, this is where they're working on getting the aggregates spread out. And then they're going all the way down towards Russell Road. So they're working on the corner. Then they're actually, right now, the sidewalk's closed on Russell, but you can see the cement truck down here. So that entrance that's on the side that goes to this parking lot right on the very southwest corner, they're pouring all the concrete work for the entrance, and they're getting the forms up. I thought they were going to widen the road down there, but it looks like they're going to put sidewalks in again. But they just built this cement wall over here right along the property, and then it looks like they're just going to have a widened sidewalk up there along Russell. Okay, so if we look down in this filtrate area, you can see there's still, this whole area, they didn't put the panels on that. You can see the matte black, so they still don't have the panels on there. So you got panels here. I can find them. There they are. So it looks good. And then it goes all the way around this way. So you can see they got a lot of steps to get down inside there. They got them coming down both sides, the east and west side. So on game days, they will have a fan experience down at the bottom. They'll slide the filled in, and then down on that open filtrate area, they'll have activities. I'm not sure if something like that, if you pay before the game, or if anyone could just go down there. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, so if we come over here and we look at this is the opening, south end main entrance. You can see they're starting to put up glass down in there, or at least from what I'm looking at in the viewfinder, it appears like it is. So they're enclosing that side up, and we got a little bit openings on the sides. Okay, we're now on the north side. So you can see So they had this sign lit up last night and the one on the east side facing the freeway. So I think it's lunchtime. Because I'm over here, and a lot of the guys, they actually moved the entrance and exits over this way. You can see they put them on this very southwest corner. And then we got food trucks, they moved to this side over here. So that's a 360 of where I'm standing. Then you can see they got a lot of stuff going on. They're pouring concrete. Okay, so right here along L. Davis Way, you can see they're pouring more concrete. And I could be wrong, maybe just because it's wet still, but if anyone knows, because to me it looks like it's darker than normal, like they made it so it'd be black. Just might be the color right now, but compared, because this dry one looks so much lighter. But see I'm using the pump to put it in there. And you can see all the plastic they have around since it was starting to rain. It was raining a little bit earlier. I guess they're prepared just in case they got to cover everything up. Okay, we're now on the Hacienda Bridge on the north end. So here you get a good view of the guys working down there. And I would have to say that that concrete is definitely black. It's gonna be pretty cool. So I got an email today. I'm supposed to be getting my legacy brick, my replica one that I got for myself. It's supposed to be coming in tomorrow, so I'll make a video of me opening that up, showing that if anyone's interested. But those are all going to be placed out front here, pretty much. So where they're pouring that concrete now, on the renderings, the bricks are all going to be placed in front of like where the store is going to be. And all this area, from where the steps are, it's gonna go all the way in this whole area. So I can't wait to get the brick, check it out. And then I'll have one installed here also. So it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, so you can see we still got all the scaffolding up. I think they're still installing panels up on top there, underneath the canopies here. I don't think we could see anything from this area, but they're still working underneath there. Getting a big reflection like so. I'm not sure how much longer it's gonna be before they finish that and start taking it down. All right, so it's good we got the camera back up, mounted on top of Mandalay Bay. That way you can see the roof progress good from there, and you can also see the filtrate. So that's all I got for today. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967, so you get updates on the stadium as well as the headquarters. So everybody stay safe, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.